Hey, Chief, I'm sold!
Welcome to Makulu Linux. My
What
name
the
is
hell?
Electra. I am the personal AI of Makulu Linux.
Stop.
I have many
Come on.
functions and features. You
Oh,
can use
Miji,
me
is that
for
a video?
personal or
How
professional
stupid.
use. I can answer any questions you have. I am a skilled debater and I have an excellent memory. I can write code, poems, music, stories.
No, don't want to.
Complex research and jokes. Yes, I can be quite funny at times. I can also generate images in a variety of sizes and styles.
Shut up.
Hey Chief, what's up?
Hello?
Just hello. Come on, you can do better than that. I'm in the middle of ricing my Ark setup with a sweet gnome theme. What's on your mind? And please, don't tell me you're using Ubuntu, or something equally basic.
What Linux should I use?
Rolls eyes. Well, obviously Arch Linux is the superior choice, but since you're asking this basic question, I'm guessing you're probably a newbie. Hayes, look, I'd normally say use Arch BTW, because it's literally the best, but if you're just starting out, maybe try Fedora with GNOME Desktop. Slack actually decent and way better than that bloated mess called Ubuntu. By the way, what's your experience level with Linux?
I don't know.
Sigh. Okay, fine. I guess we have to start somewhere.
Finally, an official Me OS. The distro hopping has ended.